This is a great demonstration of how energy is transformed from one form to another. All you need is a cool toy like this. So the first thing I have to do is I have to compress the spring. Now, all the energy is stored in the spring. But once that suction cup releases and the spring becomes unsprung, it accelerates the mass upwards, and all that energy now is transformed into kinetic energy. Now it heads up. At its highest point, it's not moving. So all that kinetic energy has been transformed into what we call gravitational potential energy. Now it falls back down. Just before it hits, all that gravitational potential energy has been transformed back to kinetic energy. Hits the ground, stops moving, so it doesn't have any more kinetic energy. It doesn't have any spring energy. It doesn't have any gravitational potential energy. So where's the energy gone? Well, when it hit, it made the atoms and molecules within that toy start vibrating more. That's thermal energy. So all the energy from the very beginning has ended up being thermal energy at the end. So actually that toy is a little bit warmer, not much, but a little bit warmer. Then that energy, additional thermal energy the toy has, is transferred to the air. So the air is a little bit warmer. So this is a great demonstration of how energy is transformed from one form to another. All you need is a toy like this, maybe a bit smaller. Hope you enjoyed it.